In this presentation, we are going to explain the latest improvements of visual programming languages. These are our group members. Moreover, in this video we will present you what is a visual programming language and some improvements of languages such as Smalltalk, Visual Fox Pro, Visual Basic, C# and Java. A visual programming language is a language that lets the user to create programs by manipulating program elements graphically and provides more direct communication between human and computer. VPL was introduced targeting the beginner programmers with a basic understanding of concepts. VPL rules the software development process. VPL is a stable and a unique phase among the other programming languages, and also is likely to become one of the greatest programming challenges in the world. Let's take some knowledge about these programming languages first. Smalltalk is a pure object-oriented, dynamically typed, reflective programming language developed by Alan Kay, Dan Ingalls, Adele Goldberg, Ted Kaler, and Scott Wallace. First version is Smalltalk 71, and the first stable release is Smalltalk 80. Substantial memory footprint, limited runtime performance, and lack of supported connectivity to SQL-based relational database servers are some disadvantages of Smalltalk. Visual Fox Pro is a data-centric, object-oriented procedural programming language developed by Microsoft Corporation. Fox Pro is derived from Foxbase, which developed by Fox Software, and Fox Technologies merged with Microsoft, after which the software acquired further features and the prefix Visual. Visual Fox Pro is tightly integrated with its own relational database engine which support SQL query and data manipulation. Visual Fox Pro is full-featured, dynamic programming language that does not require the use of an additional general-purpose programming environment. Visual Basic is an event-driven programming language and integrated development environment developed by Microsoft Corporation. Relatively easy to learn and use the language because of its graphical development features and basic heritage. Also a combination of visual arranging components and controls on a form. Visual C++ is a statically typed, free-form, multi-paradigm, compiled, general-purpose programming language developed by Bjarne Stroustrup. Visual C# is a multi-paradigm programming language including imperative, functional, generic, object-oriented and component-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft Corporation. Java is a object-oriented, structured, imperative programming language developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. A general-purpose, concurrent, class-based language which specifically designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. In this initial video we will describe only about the visual programming environment of Java and C#. Let's start from the beginning of a C# application to explain the idea of visual programming. When you go forward you will understand how the coding are generated automatically. When you are ready to begin coding, the first step is to set up a project. The project contains all the raw materials for your application, including not only the source code files, but also resource files such as icons, references to external files that your program depends on, and configuration data such as compiler settings. When you build a project, Visual C# invokes the C# compiler and other internal tools to create an executable assembly using the files in your project. If you still have your console application open from the previous section, click File from the menu bar at the top of Visual C# Express. From the File menu, click on Close Solution. To create your first Windows Form project, click the File menu again.